Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to reattach a broken comb from a top bar. So if you guys have a top bar beehive and the comb have been broken for some reason, I will show you how to reattach the comb. So these are the stuff that you will need. You will need two tie straps. No, my bad. You would need two plastic straps. They are just regular plastic straps. You will most likely to see them on cardboard box. They strap down the cardboard box and just three thumbtacks. So that's all you would need. Okay guys, this is what you would want to do. You would want to punch the plastic straps into the top bar, two of them on one side of the top bar. You got to place them wide enough where they will hold the cone, and the cone will not fall from it. So after that you would flip the top bar like this. Then you are going to place the comb over the plastic straps like that. I'm doing this with one hand, so you guys will have to see with me. Then around this side now you will join the two straps, plastic strap, together like that. You will have to draw them tight enough for them to hold the comb, and then you join them together. I'm going to do that and then return because I am holding the camera, videoing and doing it at the same time, so it's a bit unbugging. Yes guys, I'm back. This is how you would want to do it, and now you can pick up the top bar and the comb will hold to it as tight as possible. So now the bees will surely reattach it and join it where it have broken from the top bar. So I will return few days after and inspect it if they have reattached it as yet, and I will surely show you guys. So I'm going to place it in the middle of the hive. Okay guys, today is the fourth day after I reattach the cone and put it back inside the beehive. So I'm going to open it today and see how well they reattach the comb. So let's do that. And now here it is. The bees fully reattach it to the top bar. So I can go about now and remove these plastic straps and the comb will be fully secured onto the top bar. I just removed the plastic strap, guys, and here is the comb. As you can see, the bees is on it with the weight and everything, and it's not falling back from the top bar. So thanks for watching, guys. I ask you please to subscribe to this channel, like, comment and share. Thanks.